straight from the court, the juvenile accused bail plea was taken up for hearing, and the matter will now be heard on the 6th of January 2018. To remind you here, the juvenile's custody will end on 3rd of January, so there is going to be a separate hearing to extend his custody on 3rd of January as well. But to make more sense of what really happened inside the courtroom, Apurva Sridhar joining us live. Apurva, take us through what happened today.
Well, the juvenile for the first time was presented before the Sessions Court. Remember this after the Juvenile Justice Board had on December 20th concluded that the juvenile be treated as an adult, and therefore the case was given directly to the Sessions Court. Now the new Sessions Court, the Child Session Court, which heard the case today, the bail application of the juvenile, which was put forth before the Child Session Court, they have listed this matter on 6th of Jan for the next date. They have given 6th of Jan as the next date of hearing as far as the bail application of the juvenile is concerned. Now, January 3rd is when the juvenile's custody ends, and January 3rd he was directed to again be present before the Sessions Court, and there will be an argument on the extension of the custody as well. Remember, the earlier judge, the original judge who was supposed to hear this case, has cited overload as reasons for transferring this case to another court, because she said that she has almost 400 cases that are pending, and therefore the next date in this case that they can give is only before 4 months and not before that. And that's the reason she said it would not be in the interest of this case to have prolonged this for so long, and that is the very reason why this case was transferred to another court, which is the Child Session Court here at the Gurugram Sessions Court. Now, the Child Session Court, which heard the matter at around 12:45, where the juvenile was also presented before the judge for the first time, said that this bail application plea, which was put forth by the juvenile, will be heard on 6th of Jan. Back to you.
Also, we were hearing, Apurva, that the counsel for the accused had stated that he might be challenging the Juvenile Justice Board's decision of trying him as an adult in the court today. Any update on that front? Are they likely to challenge the Juvenile Justice Board's decision at court anytime soon?
Well, no word there coming in as far as challenging of this is concerned. But yes, of course, the defense counsel will definitely be appealing against the order of the Juvenile Justice Board in declaring this juvenile as an adult and be tried as an adult in the Sessions Court. But right now, there is no clarity on whether the appeal has been filed and when will it be taken up. So far, the appeal from the defense side has not been filed. Today was the first day that the juvenile was presented before the court. Now, in the next course of action, the next hearing that is to be slated to take place on 6th of Jan, further hearings and further deliberations on this will be taken up. But so far, no word on when the Sessions Court itself will be hearing this matter on whether or not the child should be treated as an adult or a juvenile based on the kind of application and the appeal that will be filed by the defense in this case. Back to you.